Tristan, what are you doing? Are you opening the window? Bubba, are you opening the window? Look at you.
That was slow-mo.
Look at you, Tristan. Open that window. Close it.
Woo! That was a corner.
He is totally enthralled with this window. He said, "Oh, Aunt Rachel locked them."
He said that's okay, I'll figure it out.
He
Yeah, he's
sure.
like, let me figure out the locks.
You jump?
Oh.
No, don't
What
you
was
do
that?
that.
Come back.
Spot.
He'll get off. Watch him.
That was like a return to myself.
He's trying. There you go, Pea-Pie. Good job, Tristan. Oh, he wants to play with Rachel's hair. He's gonna play with Aunt Rachel's hair.
Ow!
No. He's playing. Wanna play with Aunt Rachel? Get her. He wants you to do this. This is Grandma's game.
I missed it.
It's Grandma's game.